Ito yung biblically speaking na pag ang puno hindi na namumunga, binubuwal. Yan. Ginamitan namin ni Milan ng chainsaw. Tapos pinutol namin cherry tree to. Hindi na namumunga. Matandang-matanda na. Siguro mga matanda mo to kaya na. Darling, right? This tree is older than you.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Cherry tree. So, itatapon na namin doon. At kinuha lang ni Milan yung kanyang trailer. Para ikakarga namin sa trailer. At itatapon doon sa barangay hall. At tapunan ng mga dahon doon at kahoy.
Finally some work, right, darling?
Yeah, back to work. Back to work.
Your muscles gonna hurt.
Philippines.
Only watch.
Only watch. Then work. Work hard. Work hard, David boy.
Yeah, good, good. Your muscles gonna feel it.
David boy.
So our
Muscle is amazing.
cherry tree is gone.
Huh?
The cherry tree is gone. No more cherries.
Charity is gone.
No, I said cherry tree.
Cherry. Cherry tree.
Okay,
Okay.
bye. Oh, we were just waiting for you, darling, to come from Philippines. Že jsme čekali jenom na něho, až přijede z Filipín.
Oh, my goodness. It's nice. Okay.
Musí pořádně ušlapat.
Tak to jsou pytle.
Asi pojedu dvakrát.
No,
To se rezne, to je. To je nakynuté.
what you doing?
It's falling down.
Okay, good.
Brata.
I'm opening the gate. Sisi, pojď sem.
Do prdele už.
Sisi, ke mně. Sisi, pojď sem. Sisi, pojď sem. Sisi, gnoze. Sisi, gnoze.
This one.
This one here. Tady, Milane.
Kameny pro boha.
There.
Tam this.
Ah, okay, there.
Oh, tam, I'm going with
He's going there with car.
Huh?
He's going there with car.
This one, huh?
Yes.
So behind there, the yellow building, it's a kindergarten. Here is the playing area. There is a pub. There is a small stream and a park. There is a castle. And here's the Sisi. Sisi, pojď sem. Sisi, pojď sem.
Wala siyang tali. Dati pag wala siyang tali, tumatakbo siya kahit saan-saan. Ngayon, parang kuwan na siya. Yung nasanay na siya na pag wala kami, parang natatakot siya. Kaya, kahit wala siyang tali, hindi na siya humihiwalay. Pagdating ni Hana mamaya, nilalabas namin to uli. Kasi Kasi gusto niya na lumabas pag mga ganitong panahon, yung may araw. Kaya lang mamaya pa yun siya. Oras alas 3 pa lang. Pero sa ganda ng panahon. May araw pero malamig. Kaya kita nyo, nagja-jacket pa ako. Dito kami ni Hana naglalakad-lakad dito sa
Trabajo.
sa
No?
fish pond. Yung malaking fish pond dito sa kanilang village. Kararating niya lang sa work. Then sabi niya, let's take Sisi out. So I said, okay, let's go. So si Sophia na sa bahay. She is taking a nap. Pagod daw siya galing sa school. So inayaan na namin. Dito kami, malaki yung fish pond dito. Pwede kang mamingwit dito. Kukuha ka lang ng license para mamingwit. Pero bilhin mo rin yung isda na makuha mo.
I didn't see anybody to fishing here. I think.
No, I saw.
Really?
Yeah. I saw. Oras is mag alas 5 na ng hapon. At magandang panahon kasi a little bit windy. But weather is nice. A bit cold because it's windy. But manageable. So it's nice to walk. Yeah, medyo yung aking tiyan ay humihilab pa. Ganun talaga pag may indigestion problem ka. So kaya iwas na ako sa mga greasy food, junk foods, oily foods. Kailangan balik muna sa mga healthy foods. Maganda din mga gito pag bandang hapon, pag hindi masamang panahon, dalhin mo yung asa mo, ikot-ikot kayo rito. So doon sa kabila yung park ni Hana, yung castle. Dito naman banda, ito yung fish pond dito na malaki. So fresh ang hangin dito, talagang hindi polluted. Yun, may malaking swan doon, yung dalawa. Palangoy-langoy doon. Sabi ko kuya, nasaan kaya natutulog yung mga yan? Kasi mga wild yan eh. Yan. Okay. So uwi na tayo. Tama na yung ikot, tama na yung sakto na yung lakad-lakad dito. Ito maganda paghapon nga. Sarap maglakad-lakad dito. Palibutan ka ng mga layang punong kahoy. Mga laya pa yan, hindi naman patay yan. Pag spring na, dadahon uli yan. Darling, is it spring now? Not yet.
Yeah, it's spring, but it's not official spring. You know, the spring.
When is the official spring?
I think 21st of March. But,
21st of
but
March?
the March, April, May are spring month.
Okay. Good morning from Czech Republic. It's 6:15 in the morning. Sophia is already awake. Haping Kai, good morning. Good morning, darling.
Good morning.
Preparing to work.
Yeah.
Beauty product.
Yeah.
What's your breakfast, darling?
Roll with butter.
That's your favorite?
Yeah.
We cannot get rid of this bread, right? Di nagpapalaking lang tiyan itong mga tinapay. You know what causes bread? When you eat bread, the effect, the fat is around your belly. That is why if you love bread, you're gonna have a big belly.
Yeah, I know. I need to stop diet.
You've been saying that for since ever. Ever since you've been saying that. I can't believe this. Oh,
You were in a diet, right? A whole week.
I was?
You were for a whole week. You were in a diet,
Yeah.
so you definitely lost a lot of kilos because of the brown food. Yeah.
You know, when you had the stomach ache, you only eat toasted bread, rice.
Yeah.
Yeah. So nice going.
Okay. I'm just thinking what kind of jacket I will have because
It's not really cold.
yeah, I know, but I didn't prepare my jacket. Actually, I have a Friday today. Tomorrow I'm off.
Why you're off tomorrow?
Just one?
Oh. So you have off tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay, then I'm not gonna clean today. I'm gonna wait for you tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah?
But I'm not gonna clean.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
No, I will clean the stairs and you clean the downstairs.
I'm not gonna clean because it's my off. I'm not taking off for cleaning. No, I will. A little bit. Yeah, we need to.
Bye.
And you like this jacket, right?
Yeah, I like this chat.
Because it reminds you your work, so you feel like you're at work, right?
Yeah. Lamig. Medyo mahangin. Pero at least may araw na naman to ngayon. So habang siya ay nasa work ngayon, ako ay maglilinis mamaya. Titirahin ko yung taas at saka hagdanan. Okay. Bye. Ayan. Bye. Yan, malapit lang yung work ni Hana rito. Wala nga 10 minutes drive. So sabi ko kay Hana, pag ako magtatrabaho rito, bibila ako ng scooter. Yung motor na scooter. May nakita ako kahapon, maliit. Cute. Kaya lang nakakatakot, lalo na hindi naman ako sanay magmotor. So pasok na sa loob kasi malamig na masyado. Malamig. Tagahatid lang ako dito sa gate. She's going to school. Alright. Love you.
Love you too, Dad.
You remember the Lord.
I will.
Okay.
Bye, Dad.
Be kind.
I will.
Bye. What time you'll be home?
Normal time.
Normal time, okay. Yeah. Normal time. Ibig sabihin nun, dito sa manananghalian. Pag hindi normal time, doon sa school mananghalian, nagpapaalam yan minsan na mamasyal kasama yung mga pinsan niya doon. Taga Upaba kasi yung mga dalawang pinsan niya eh. Taga Upaba mga yun. Sa city center nakatira. Kaya minsan niyayaya siya. Sasabihin niya lang na hindi ako makakauwi ng ng normal time. Ganun. Ibig sabihin na mamamasyal siya. Pag namamasyal siya, pinapayagan namin. Hindi namin siya dinadamutan ng mga ganung bagay. Kasi dito sa Opawa talagang safe dito. Wala yung mga major crime dito. Pwede niya i-google. Talagang safe yung Opawa. So okay, so time for me to move as well my ASS. Time to release.